Welcome to a whole new world, the digital classroom of Merryland Academy. A smart class like never before. Easy learning, happy children, happy families.
Geometry basics. Creating shapes by paper folding. Make a bird. This is a bird made by paper folding. You need to follow these steps. Take a square-shaped colored paper. Fold the paper in half so that a triangular shape is obtained. Fold a tiny portion of the paper in front. Also make the eye of the bird with a sketch pen. Fold quite a bigger portion of the paper to represent the tail of the bird.
Make things happen. Take inspired action.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow.